Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how the speed saving works in Dress to Impress new update. Okay, let's get into it guys. The New Year's update has been released in Dress to Impress Roblox, and in this update guys, you will be able to save your speed. As we know that if we set our speed, for example, 70%, when we set like this and we move to another server or teleport to another server, we need to set it up again. But in this update guys, it will be saved automatically. So when you teleport to another server, your walk speed will be saved. Or if you leave the game, the walk speed will still same. Okay, I'm going to set it to 90%, for example, around 90%. And then I'm going to try to teleport to another server, for example, this VIP server. And my walk speed will be the same. And even when I close the Dress and Press, the speed will be the same. Okay, let's check it, guys. Let's check the speed. Okay, as you can see, it's still on 92%. So yeah, that's how the speed saving works in Dress and Press game Roblox new update. Okay, that's all for today guys. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.